In this video, you'll learn how to center an image in Webflow, a skill that can greatly enhance the visual appeal of your website. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting out, mastering this simple technique is essential for creating balanced and professional looking layouts. First things first, open your web browser and head over to webflow.com. If you haven't already signed in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, you'll see a list of all your projects. Select the site that you're currently working on by simply clicking on it. This will take you into the Webflow Designer where all the magic happens. Now, with your chosen site open in the designer, you'll need to locate the container that holds the image you want to center. This is an important step because the container acts as the framework around your image, and centering it within this space is what creates that neat, polished look. Click on this container to select it. You'll notice a blue outline around it, indicating that it's now active and ready for editing. With the container selected, direct your attention to the right side of the screen where you'll find the Style panel. This panel is your go-to resource for customizing the appearance of elements on your page. Within this panel, scroll down until you find the Typography section. Don't let the name fool you. Even though it's called Typography, it includes alignment options for various elements, not just text. Now, within the Typography section, you'll see several alignment options. These are the tools you'll use to adjust how content is positioned within its container. Look for the alignment buttons that resemble horizontal lines. These buttons control the horizontal alignment of your elements within the container. Click the button that centers the content. This action will shift your image to the middle of its container, achieving that centered alignment you're aiming for. And there you have it. Your image should now be perfectly centered within its container. This simple adjustment can make a significant difference in the overall aesthetic of your page, providing a more symmetrical and visually pleasing design. A quick tip before we wrap up: if you're working with multiple images or elements that need centering, you can apply similar alignment settings to their respective containers. This consistency will ensure a cohesive look throughout your site. This quick tutorial has shown you exactly how to center an image in Webflow. Centering images is a fundamental skill that can elevate the quality of your web designs, making them more engaging and professional. With practice, you'll become even more proficient in utilizing Webflow's tools to create outstanding websites. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.